Hey there, Seesawers. Today I want to give you a quick demonstration on how to post a note into your Seesaw stream to have students reflect on an activity, skill, or other artifact that they have in their portfolio, and then add an audio note on top of that, which could be helpful for our younger friends and students who developmentally really can't do well with typing. So in Seesaw, you want to add something, and the new item you want to add will be a note. And so you can just type something right here. I'm going to copy and paste something. So you can see that I posted a little sample text about reflecting. Can be general reflection of progress as a whole or about an individual skill. And of course, they can add audio to that. And the way they add audio is they go ahead and tap the green check, and that brings up the audio button. You may be prompted to allow access to the microphone, and you just begin recording. So now I'm recording what I want to say so that I can actually talk about what I want to say. I'm going to talk about bowling. I think I've gotten better at bowling. I've learned to release the ball on the upswing so that I can throw the ball out. And I learned to follow through with my fingers pointing at the pins so that it will generally, the ball will generally go that way. When we're done recording, just stop, click the stop button. So it adds it there and I can play it back. So now I'm recording what I want to say so that I can, okay. And when that's complete, you just click the green checkbox again. And when it's completely done, one more time, it's processed. I'm in as a teacher, so I'm going to assign it to, I'll just assign it over here to Jeff and click the check to assign it. I can choose optionally to put it into a folder. I'll put it into the sample folder and then check the green check again. The process will be very similar from the student perspective as well. And so finally, you can choose if you want to enable it. You can enable the blog by clicking on the globe and choose Publish to Blog. Now, from the student's point of view, they will get a message that it is published pending approval. All blog postings must be approved by the teacher so that you have complete control of what does and does not get posted to the blog. But again, having the blog feature turned on is completely up to you. That's it. That's how easy it is to post a note with a little bit of audio attached. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or Jeff, and happy seesawing.